So guys, today we'll be doing so many amazing things, and it's gonna be just with AI as usual. So I'll show you how it is done so that you'll be able to replicate the same thing on your own. So this particular one is actually like a video editing platform just with AI. So I'm gonna pick actual video. Let me look for video. Okay. Alright, let me pick this particular video. So as you can see here, the thing is side by side. This is the one I uploaded, and this is the process video, and this is the effects, as you can see. So anyone, you if I toggle anything on here now, nothing is happening to this video. The reason is because I've not turned this place on. Immediately I turn it on, you can see the effect are actually taking place. The effect are actually taking place. Let's see, you can see the changes as it be applied. The brightness here is very dark now, and if I increase the brightness, you can just see how it's going. The same thing happened to the contrast. So any effects particularly you want to make use of, you must turn it on, as you can see, and so on and so forth. And the one good thing about this whole thing is that it's just a single prompt. So even the blur of a thing, so if you actually compare this particular video by your left to the one that is by the right, you can see the effect, the brightness, right? So like I said, you toggle the effect on, and whatever you do showing there. Like here now, this video now have 2x speed. So let me change. If you click on invert the color, you can see the color is inverted, changing to something else. Can turn it to black and white and all the rest. So that is just the features, and I said I'm going to show you the particular prompt. So looking at your screen here, you see the prompt. I don't want to read it because it's very long, so you can actually pause this video and read it through. So that is just it. I love it. So next on the line is we're going to clone a multi-million-dollar platform right now, and as you can see on this case, everything is also working. This particular one is actually a very big deal, and we want to clone one of the best editing and designing platform in the world right now. It's even a multi-million-dollar project. So as you can see the prompt here, I don't really want to read it out, so you can actually pause and read it out by yourself. So that is the prompt. So we're gonna test these all features if peradventure they are working 100%. Actually I brought what is it called, image, to see, but I'm going to open this now on a bigger screen so that you will see if we will test every other thing, because the one I've tested is to bring in image. So since that is actually working, I believe that every other one should be working also. So as you can see, it's opening. That's open. So let's check out every other thing. This is the brush. Well, you can see the brush is working, so that is amazing, right? The brush is working, and let's increase the brush size. Wow, it's working. I don't know of the color is also working. So I believe this is just beautiful, as I can see. Then what of the opacity? Let me confirm if the opacity is working also. The opacity is working. Oh my god, oh my god. So let's check this. This is eraser. Oh my god, look at this. It's working. It's working. What am I going to test again? The test. This one is very important. Testing. on the low, right? So I don't see it though. Could it be that all these things are blocking it or what? Right? I don't know. It's like the test is not working now. So I actually want to start a new project. Let me test the test again. I know this. Alright, it's there. It's working. Let me do it again. Just with AI. So let's increase the fonts because there will be nothing we can do. Photoshop have test fonts size and font himself. So let's check the fonts and let me change the color also to black. Let me see if it's working. Wow, so amazing. It's working 100%. This one gallery. Okay, you see immediately I click on the gallery, it brought us to this point to see all the features. So let me import image. Let me import this image of a panda bear. Alright, the zoom is also working 100%. So let's go on gray. It's working. And the undo is also working. So let me click on the sepia. It's working. I undo it. It's working. Invert. Wow, it's very very beautiful. Let me see undo. Let me redo. Wow, everything is just working. So just imagine this particular app right now clone with all this function, and the fact is that this can take a developer group of developers a month to build only just this little feature you are seeing. The sharpening, the blow has not worked, but let me wait for it. Wait, responsive, then contrast. Wow, look at that, guys. What the brightness, I don't understand. It's making me not to see the image again, but let me redo if I will be able to get it back. So I don't really understand this brightness because no matter the direction I go, I'm supposed to get the image back, but unfortunately I'm not getting the image back unless I redo. Then the contrast. So even when I still go back, the contrast is still giving me something else. Maybe if you're a pro in Photoshop, you'll be able to know why that is happening. Me, I don't know. All is that it's functioning. So I just have to redo. That is working, functioning properly. It's simply a good start, right? So if I decide to like make any correction, especially the eye drop and the what is it called, the selection of a thing, I don't think those ones are working because it's supposed to like show me a sign that it's working, but there's no sign about it. So if I pump that further, I'll be able to get that 100% correct. So everything here is just working fine, and you can see it's just a single prompt. This is the color of a thing. Let me try and check on, let me take another color. So guys, you can, if you zoom, I think if you actually zoom out, you will see the right top. That is the right top here. Look at it. So I think it would be the best time for me to check that selection of a thing. If truth is actually selecting. I don't think that one is selecting anything. So this is just a clone of Photoshop with just the prompt you are seeing right here. Even this button is also functioning 100%, right? So everything is just good and beautiful. So if peradventure you want to test it out on your own, you can go to GLM 4.5, which is chat.z.ai, and test with this prompt. And you can actually modernize it better and see maybe if peradventure any feature is not working for you, you just have to like prompt that particular one further for it to work. So if you continue to enhance this, you find that you have a complete good working app that you can use for anything you're doing. Like the other one we did before now also, video editing. You can find out that the video editing is also working 100%. Until you just have to make sure you turn on the button on. Once you turn on your buttons, any effect you actually click will be working 100%. And if you look at the screen here, until you import your videos, that is when the thing will show you those features, right? You can see here. So without importing the videos, you won't see any of those things. So if you want to still go ahead and make your correction, as you can see, this is the brightness. You can see everything is working. So make sure you just subscribe to our channel, because this is how we do. We show you the capabilities of AI, what you can do with them, how you can help you enhance your daily activities. So we don't believe it's here to actually take anybody's job. It's here to enhance our productivity. Thank you so much.